All right, let's move on to today's IEP goals. We start off with goal number 3, mathematics. By the end of 36 instructional weeks, given verbal, visual, model prompts, guided practice, and scaffolding, Reynaldo will solve 1 and 2-step problems using data from a frequency table, pictograph, bar graph, line graph, and stem and leaf plot measured at a rate of 70% accuracy. Let's move on. Count and tally. Peter counted the coins in his piggy bank and made the following tally chart. Use the chart he made to complete the graph. Can you guess what kind of graph it is? Good, it's a bar graph. He counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 25-cent coins. Let's move on. He counted 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 10-cent coins. He counted 1, 2, 3, and 4 5-cent coins. You continue on your own. Once you're done counting the coins, make sure to fill in the graph below. Next activity, superheroes. The following tally chart shows the favorite superheroes of a group of school students. Use the chart to complete the table and answer the questions. Number 1. Use the tally data to complete the following data table. Number 2. Using the data, what is the most favorite superhero? Number 3. How many more students favored Batman over Wolfman? Number 4. How many more students favored Spider-Man over Superman? Number 5. How many students were asked about their favorite superhero? Feel free to pause if I'm going too fast. Next activity, bicycle shop. The following tally chart shows the number of bicycles a bike shop sold during a period of 5 weeks. Use the data to answer the questions. Number 1. How many bicycles were sold in the second week? Number 2. How many bicycles were sold in the last week? Number 3. How many bicycles were sold in the first and third week? Number 4. How many bicycles were sold in the 5 weeks altogether? Number 5. The price of a bicycle is $550. Pretty pricey. Calculate how much money the bike shop made on the bicycles and complete the table. All right, last activity for this goal. Vehicles passing by. A group of students counted the vehicles that passed by the school for 1 hour and made the following tally chart of their findings. Number 1. How many cars did the students count? Number 2. How many buses and bicycles did the students count? Number 3. How many scooters and cars did they count? Number 4. How many more bicycles than scooters did they count? Number 5. How many scooters, cars, and buses were counted? Number 6. How many vehicles did they count altogether? Number 7. How many wheels would the counted scooters normally have? Let's move on to goal number 4. By the end of 36 instructional weeks, given verbal, visual, guided practice, and scaffolding when presented with word problems involving amounts of money, Reynaldo will identify which operation to use: addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, and solve the problem with 70% accuracy. Objectives. By the end of 9 instructional weeks, Reynaldo will identify the names and values of all coins: the quarter, the nickel, the dime, and the penny, and bills: the $1 bill, the $5 bill, the $10 bill, the $20 bill, the $50 bill, and my favorite, the $100 bill, with 70% accuracy. First activity: know your coins. Draw lines to match the pictures of the coins to their correct names and values. Let's move on. Find the dimes, sheet 2. Draw and circle around all the dimes. How many did you find? Make sure you count the ones you circled. Remember, some might be facing up, some might be facing down. Let's move on to the next activity. Identify coins, sheet 1. Color the coins the correct color and then count them. You're going to color the quarters red, the dimes blue, the nickels green, and the pennies orange. Next activity. Find the pennies, sheet 2. Draw a circle around all the pennies. How many did you find? Next activity. Find the quarters, sheet 1. Draw a circle around all the quarters. How many did you find? Next activity. Identify coins, sheet 3. Color the coins using the table below and then count them. The quarters are red, dimes are blue, nickels are green, and pennies are orange. All right, we're almost there. Last activity. Identifying coins and their value. Draw a line to match the coin with its value. I can give you a hint. The copper one is worth the least. I'm sure you know that. Upon completion, make sure you send me this via WhatsApp. Thank you.